everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am doing some cutbacks because we finally had our first killing frost. Now people always ask, do you cut back your brugmansia? And as you can see behind me, this is brugmansia Charles Grimaldi, which in my opinion is the hardiest variety. So, for anybody living in zone 7, this is one that has been really reliable for me. But every year I do cut it to the ground, literally back usually somewhere 12 to 14 inches off the ground. And I'm gonna do that today because I can't stand seeing these decaying leaves, and I wanna get started on sowing seeds in this bed. So basically the process is gonna be really easy. I'm gonna take a pair of sharp, large pruners. I'm gonna cut these stalks down. They're gonna go into the woods, into a compost pile. And then I am going to top them with ground up leaves that have just come out of the bagging attachment on the lawnmower. We have tons of leaves to go through and kind of start picking up. And this is the perfect use for that organic matter. They will basically act as insulation to make sure that even if we get really cold, the brugmansia won't have any serious damage to its root system. And they do allow enough water to pass through that it won't make the plant rot. Plus, it'll make it look more finished and you won't even see the stalks. So let me show you exactly how I go about doing this. And now I'm going to do the same to these Hedychium cornarium, or the ginger lilies. I'm just going to trim these down and then load them up with some ground leaves. Not only will this give them a great start for next season, but it's the perfect insulation. And oftentimes that's really what I want to encourage people to use their leaves for. Put them in areas where you have perennials, trees and shrubs, and use that organic matter to improve your soil, but also insulate your plants in case you get really cold. All right, I'm just gonna spread these around and just make sure they're evenly distributed. In the case of the Hedychium, you can see the stalks are just sticking out from them, and that is sort of perfect. Leaves are like the greatest thing that nature gives us, and it breaks my heart to see people waste them. So I hope that this video will inspire you to take advantage of nature's greatest gift, the leaves that fall from our deciduous trees. Grind them up. You can just use like a lawnmower and then apply them to your beds, especially for plants that you might be zone bending with. Things like subtropicals like brugmansias, Hedychium, canna, different types of palms. All of these plants will benefit greatly from the additional warmth that a pile of ground up leaves will offer through the cool season. If you found this video to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Be sure to subscribe to the Bree the Plant Lady YouTube channel. As always, thanks so much for watching, everybody.